something else has grown up alongside dissatisfaction with current policies, something that is fueling a lot of dissatisfaction in this country. As I mentioned before, realignments tend to accompany big problems, whether it be malaise, Vietnam, depression, slavery. It's a different big problem this time, though, and this is what it is. Americans, but also Europeans, in enormous numbers, have come to believe that government is fundamentally broken in the most basic ways, that it is incapable any longer of tackling and managing the big problems out there, that politicians no longer do their jobs, that government has lost sight of the people it's meant to serve, that major institutions are no longer trustworthy, and that nothing less than sizable shock is going to drag government out of this stultifying autopilot that it has been on in their minds for too long. And the polls here, there is almost no disagreement on this. Republicans, independents, Democrats, because, by the way, you can totally be a Democrat and believe passionately that government should be vastly more involved in people's day-to-day lives and simultaneously believe strongly that it does a really crap job of it. Absolutely no problem holding both of those views at the same time. A Pew poll from only about 18 months ago found that 4% of Americans, say our political system is working extremely well or very well. 4. I mean, and by the way, I wondered, who are you people? Who are the 4%? Almost 65% expressed not too much or no confidence at all in the future of the U.S. political system. That is absolutely stunning. 16% say that they trust the federal government all or most of the time, the lowest number in 7 decades. The poll also listed the words that came to people's mind when they were asked to describe the current state of government in Washington. Here were the top words: corrupt, dysfunctional, bad, a joke, broken, disgusting, and by the way, I don't think this is an homage to Donald Trump, sad. They more than have a point. I've been covering Washington for 30 years now, and I have never seen bigger problems of a structural and human nature in that city. We have not done serious in DC in a very, very long time. And the usual analysis for why this is, why we have this dysfunction, the argument is always, well, it's because we're really polarized as a nation. And that polarization has led to gridlock.